Hello friends, I am CA Patiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see how we can insert a bullet in Excel. In a normal way, how we can insert? Just click on this insert menu. In that just search, there is an option of symbol. I will do a click. See friends, there is a list of bullets. You can select any bullet from this, but for a better understanding, I am selecting this bullet and I will select insert and I will close this dialog. I can write any text over here, but the limitation of this, when I want to enter data in a second row, the bullet will not appear. Again, I have to do the same process, which is very cumbersome. Now I will see the smart trick. For that, I will just select the data. Again, you have to press Ctrl 1 or you can select format cell. In that, you have to select or click on custom button. You will see there are number of options, but by default it will be selected as a general. I will just remove this general button. Now I will press window and dot button, window and dot. So this type of box will appear. So there is a list of icons or list of bullets. In that you can select anywhere. I will select this thumbs up icon. You can see it is inserted over here and we have to just close this box and I will do one space. Now I have to type this symbol of @ you will see the output is displayed over here. If you want to insert two space, you can do that, but for better presentation I will just select one space, click OK. See friends, the entire data is having a bullet. In this way you can insert a bullet in a already typed data. Hope friends you have liked the trick. If you feel the video is good, please like, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.